Welcome to Health Tips by Shah G.
Kidney beans, red power for a healthy heart. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the incredible benefits of kidney beans, known as the red power for a healthy heart. Let's dive into 20 key points that highlight why kidney beans are a heart-healthy choice. 1. Nutrient-rich kidney beans are loaded with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. 2. High fiber. They contain high levels of dietary fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol levels. 3. Cholesterol reduction fiber binds with cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. 4. Blood pressure regulation. Kidney beans are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. 5. Heart rhythm magnesium. In kidney beans supports a healthy heart rhythm and overall cardiovascular health. 6. Low glycemic index. With a low glycemic index, kidney beans help maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes, a risk factor for heart disease. 7. Antioxidants. Kidney beans are packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and protecting the heart. 8. Lower homocysteine levels. Folate in kidney beans helps lower homocysteine levels, a risk factor for heart disease. 9. Versatile ingredient. They can be added to various dishes like salads, soups, stews, and more, making them easy to incorporate into your diet. 10. Plant-based protein. Kidney beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein, promoting muscle health and overall well-being. 11. Heart disease prevention. Regular consumption of kidney beans can help prevent heart disease due to their nutrient composition. 12. Low in sodium. Naturally low in sodium, kidney beans help maintain a heart-healthy diet. 13. Weight management. High in fiber and protein. They promote satiety and help in weight management, reducing heart disease risk. 14. Affordable and accessible. Kidney beans are an affordable and accessible option for maintaining a heart-healthy diet. 15. Improved digestion. The fiber content also promotes healthy digestion, preventing issues like constipation. 16. Rich in iron. Raw in kidney beans supports healthy blood production and prevents anemia, benefiting heart health. 17. Enhanced oxygen transport. Iron also enhances oxygen transport in the body, improving overall cardiovascular function. 18. Tasty and nutritious. They are not only nutritious, but also tasty, making healthy eating enjoyable. 19. Endless recipe options. From dips to main courses, kidney beans offer endless recipe options to keep your meals exciting. 20. Family-friendly. Suitable for all ages, kidney beans are a heart-healthy choice for the entire family. Conclusion. In conclusion, kidney beans truly are a powerhouse for heart health. Packed with essential nutrients, high in fiber, and rich in antioxidants, they help lower cholesterol, regulate blood pressure, and support overall cardiovascular function. Whether you're adding them to salads, soups, or main dishes, kidney beans are an easy and delicious way to enhance your diet and promote a healthy heart. Start incorporating these vibrant red beans into your meals today and experience the heart-healthy benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Take care of your heart. See you in the next video.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.